Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to share one more example how useful can be compact receiver like BuWizz and compact motors. On my table you can see LEGO City Arctic set 60378, but it's not just a set, now it has remote control and some cool features. The first function is drive, separate motors for left and right track. Here I used CADA micromotors. You can find a detailed review of these beasts on my YouTube channel. Unfortunately now I have no rubbers for tracks, so on a flat surface it works really badly. But on the soft material it's much better. By the way, in new LEGO sets, track pieces are created out of much softer plastic, and for example, system studs now have almost no friction in track holes. It's really disappointing. Old tracks made out of firm plastic worked much better. The next function is a blade elevation. I use here very compact 1:12 reducer due to the worm gear and 22th gear. Worm gear, 22th gear with straight teeth. And I managed to save the initial cabin of the set, and we have a driver here, driver seat. All the details of the original LEGO set are presented in my modified version. So here we have 3 micromotors in total in this part of the model, and the BuWizz receiver is located inside the lab. You can see it here. The coupling bridge is a bit shorter than in the original LEGO set because of restricted wire lengths. I've replaced short skis by the longer and wider version, but later I forced to add wheels to overcome friction or the lack of friction between truck tracks and surface. But it's not a problem, it's easy to replace this version with wheels by this without wheels, just 2 access connectors. And since BuWizz receiver has 4 output ports, I've added one more motor to simulate the wind turbine function. But the only thing that is generated by this device is noise actually. Oh, and I forgot to activate main communication antenna. The fourth motor is mounted here, very simple, and here we have 2 rubber bands to power the propeller. This is actually all what I wanted to show you. I hope you like my modification of this cute LEGO set. Please share your thoughts about these improvements below the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!